and what you love, writing, this city, your friends, most of all men like Benji, what all those have in common is they will never love you back while you give everything. It's crazy the lengths we go. We're a lot alike, Beck. Last of the true romantics. So I was considering this with my new friend, Mr. Batshit Homeless Guy, when the second luckiest thing this week happened. Could it really be? It feels like I'm dreaming. I'm not. Beck, you're too drunk to be alone. What if some sicko had followed you down here? And you're too wasted to be standing so close to the tracks. Beck, stop texting that arrogant club soda no-show dickhead.
Train, jump off the track.
You want Benji. You need Benji. You hold that phone like it is Benji because it's your only means to stay connected. Forget Benji. And to hell with that phone.
You okay? Are you alright? Can you stand up? Just stay still. Half that shit down there can electrocute you, alright? So just give me your hand.
Pick it up, 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 pick it up!
Please, shut up! Give me your hand.
Pick it up, 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 pick it up.
Your hand, now.
Pick it up! Pick it up!
Oh my god, I am so sorry.
No, it's fine, it's fine. I hated this jacket.
I really am sorry.
It's okay.
You mind?
Sure. You know what, let's get you in a cab, all right?
I'm not always like this.
Yeah, I figured you had some kind of night.
Some kind of. Hey, I don't want to sound like a stalker, but I think I know you.
Oh, right. Of course. I remember. I'm sorry.
This is what I look like when I'm sober and have my hair up.
Yeah. No, I remember.
It's okay, I have a pretty bland face.
No, you don't. Yeah, Desperate Characters. I remember.
Yeah.
Where are you headed?
Village? You anywhere close? Ride with me. It's the least I can do.